Well, welcome. It is February the 3rd, and it's minus 28, minus 39 with the wind chill. And I've got some sheep that had babies a few days ago, so I got about 7 little lambs that are freezing. So I have to go down and stoke the fire to keep them warm. So why don't you come with me, and I'll show you what a sheep farmer's got to do. Well, to put things in priority before we go out there and save the sheep, we got to make sure that we are ready to save ourselves. So first things first, got to dress warm top to bottom. Got to have my full coveralls, my cleated boots, and the buggy. We need the buggy with a windshield and lights, because we're going down into the minus 39 depths. This is where the buck stops here. Actually, the buck stopped here on my wall of flame. All right, let's jump in the buggy and go on down and see the sheep. A little side profile of the buggy. I got 2 lights in the rear, 3 in the front. Gets extremely bright, obviously, for obvious reasons, because it's dark. Minus 39 and dark. We got the stuff in the back, a little Ranger. Best machine I've ever owned. All right. Let's see what the little sheepies are doing down here. Not too sure where the donkeys hide. Usually it hides around the buildings here somewhere. Hope I didn't run over the donkey. Barn. Well, a little continuation from last night. It's still minus 28 and minus 40-ish with the wind chill factor. And we got a little donkey here. She stays outside all the time, and she can go inside, but she chooses not to. Hey, Isabel. So one thing about the donkey, she's not even shivering. She's pretty happy, but we got to give her a little bit of grain every time I come down, which is about 4 times a day. Uh-oh. And the sheep know it. No, you can't have any grain, because you'll get all big and fat, and your little baby's in rough shape. So the sheep, they're hanging out here by the bale, but the babies can't handle the cold temperatures, so I got to get the fire stoked up constantly. This is where we were last night. And got a little barn is sort of insulated. I got the roof, got about 12 inches of straw. In here. Oh, a little grainy, eh? Oh, hi guys! You guys are smart, hanging out by the stove. All right, well, the stove here, you get about 8 hours of burn time, and it goes from minus 28 to about, well, right now 15 degrees inside the barn, so that's acceptable. Anyways, that's life on the sheep farm when it's 40 below. Oh, there, little baby. He's eating. That's how the babies stay warm.